All right, here's some things that I think we should think about for doing Chapter 3 case study. So the first one is worth 10 points. So it's most of our case study, 10 out of 25 points. And it's simple. You need to count up the number of letters in each word. That should say word. So you count them up, you put them into GeoGebra. That's going to take the longest amount of time. And do not include these words: Richardson, 22D, Frog Lane, Liberty Tree, Monday appeared, or Wolf Summit of Human Glory. Do not include those. Then you're going to calculate, and by that I mean use a computer or a calculator to find the mean, median, mode, standard deviation, sample variance, range, minimum, maximum, sum, and count. Sum, think about what that is, and count what that might be. It's the same stuff that's in the book for the other letters. And all you do is just give me the data. 10 things, 10 points, right or wrong. There's no gray area. Then you make a frequency distribution of the data, of the number of letters, with appropriate class size. There's not just one right answer. It's whatever makes sense, makes sense. Histogram of the data with appropriate class sizes. So you take your distribution, your table, and put it into a histogram, labeled accurately. We had trouble with that on the last case study. We need to label the numbers correctly, our labels on our Y and X axis, and our title be accurate. Number 4, compare your findings with the data given and speculate about the identity of A. Morner. Use data. Look at the numbers. Compare your numbers from number 1 with what's in the book, in the second table there, or in the table. And tell me who you think A. Morner is out of those people. Number 5, compare the two atom summaries. Look at the data for the two atom summaries, not the combined one, the two separate ones, and then say if word length analysis is a good tool to figure out who wrote something. This should be a well thought out answer. And what other information would be useful to identify A. Morner? It's worth 3 points, so give me several different things. What else could we do if we wanted to figure out who wrote this letter? Again, proofread what you're writing. Some of our case studies don't make sense. Make sure that I can understand what you're saying. Should be a pretty straightforward case study. Use complete sentences, and let's turn it in on time.